You need to watch this if you struggle with spiritual growth. These Bible verses will guide you. Let's dive into the wisdom of the KJV Bible. Philippians 4:2-13 says, "I can do all things through Christ which strengtheneth me." This reminds us that with faith we can overcome any obstacle. Next, Joshua 1-9 tells us, "Be strong and of a good courage. Be not afraid, neither be thou dismayed, for the Lord thy God is with thee whithersoever thou goest." What a powerful reminder that God is always by our side. Lastly, let's reflect on Proverbs 3-5-6. "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths." Trust in God, and he will guide your steps. Keep these verses close, and let them transform your spiritual journey. Stay blessed.